Hello students, good morning. So today we are going to study that about next part of our mensuration. Okay, so here what we'll do, we'll find out the area, we'll find out the area of rectangle and area of square. Okay, this one we'll find out. So last class we have studied about area and how to find out area of irregular shape. So for those we have taken the help of graph paper and we have found out the area in square unit or square centimeter. So let's find out area of rectangle. So here you are saying the rectangle. So rectangle is what? That opposite sides are equal. So here how will find out this area of rectangle? If this is separated by square units, if I am taking one as square unit, so I'll count it. I'll tell what is the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12 unit. Okay, I am taking as unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 unit. So this is also 6 unit. This is also 12 unit. So here length is 12 unit and breadth is 6 unit. So what we have to find? We have to find the area of rectangle. So if I'll calculate the units, okay, the area covered by these square units, by these squares. So look how much area is covered by this rectangle on this unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. So how many units, square units are there? There are 72 square units. So area of this rectangle is what? 72 square units. Okay. So here length is given, breadth is given. You can find out the area by putting in graph paper. Okay. So look at here. You can tell this as 12 units into 6 units. This is also 12, 6 are 72 square units. So look at it. This 12 unit is what? Length and 6 unit is what? Breadth. So length into breadth. So area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So let's find out others also the same or what? Here given 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So I'm taking the graph. Okay. So 3 centimeter, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. I'll take 1. I am doing by pen. Or you will take the help of what? Pencil. From here to here 4 centimeter. Because this is 1 centimeter. So here to here 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter. And this is 3 centimeter. So I have made. So let's find out how many total square units are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here this is 3 unit and this is 4 unit. This is a rectangle. Okay. So rectangle opposite sides are same. This is also 4 unit. This is 3 unit. So how many total square units are there? Or 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. 1 square centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many? 12 square centimeter. So you can write it 12 square centimeter. So this is what? 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter means what? Length into breadth. Okay, so like that you can find out the area of this length and breadth, this rectangle, by putting like this in graph paper. And by that you can find out 3 into 4 is how much? 12 centimeter. By this you find out and write down. So now what we got? The area of rectangle is how much? Length into breadth. Okay, so let's find out some examples. So find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are 20 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. Means length is 20 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter. So length of rectangle is how much? 20 centimeter and breadth of rectangle is 12 centimeter. So area of rectangle is how much? Length into breadth. So 20 into 12. It is how much? 240 square centimeter. Okay. So this is the area of this rectangle. Next to see what will be the length of a rectangle if its breadth is 6 meter and area is 48 square meter. So if length is given, if area is given and one value is given, either breadth is given, so you can find out length. If area is given, length is given, you can find out breadth. How? So length equal to how much? Area means area divided by breadth. It is how much? Area is 48 square meter by 6 meter. So how much you will write? 8 meter. Okay, length is always put in meter. Like that, what will be the breadth of rectangle if its length is 8 meter and area is 88 square meter? So breadth is how much? The same thing will write area by which one is given? Length. So you'll put area first, then length or breadth. If length is given, you will put here breadth. If breadth is given, you will put here length. So area is how much? 88 by length is how much? 8. It is how much? 11 meter. So this is about area of rectangle. So now we will find out the area of square. So square, you are knowing what is square. Square is a closed polygon whose all 4 sides are equal. So here this is a square whose each side is how much? 7 centimeter. So area of square. So here I have made blocks. So let's think that this is 1 square centimeter. So every block is 1 square centimeter. If we'll count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So how much? Area of square, how much we got? 49 square centimeter. So 49 square centimeter, you can write it as 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter, because 7 into 7 is how much? 49 square centimeter. So area of square is how much? Side into side. Okay, so look at here. Here side length is given and area we have to found. This is side length of whom? Square. So 5 centimeter is the square. So I'll find out for 3 centimeter, rest of you will find out by yourself. So here I have taken the graph paper and I'll make the square in graph paper. So this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, and here this is 3 centimeter. So all everywhere it is 3 centimeter. So look at here, 1 square centimeter, 2 square centimeter, 3 square centimeter, 4 square centimeter, 5 square centimeter, 6 square centimeter, 7 square centimeter, 8 square centimeter 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 square centimeter. So this area of this square having 3 centimeter, it is how much? 9 square centimeter. So you can write as 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter because 3 3 ja 9. So area of the square having side length 3 centimeter is how much? 9 square centimeter. So area of a square is how much? Side into side. Okay. So here example is given. Calculate the area of a square of side 13 centimeter. So what will write? Area of square equal to side into side. What will write? 13 into 13 equal to how much? 169 square centimeter. Next we see another example. So here one figure is given. Find the area of this figure by splitting the shapes. The measures are given in meters. Okay. By splitting. Splitting means what? Dividing. Okay. Or breaking. Okay. Like you are tearing the paper. Okay. You tam jodi divide karibo, that is splitting. So a shape ko tame kon kar split kar debo. So you don't know how to find out the either you'll put in graph paper so that you can find out, but it is telling splitting. So divide, split it. So by making it a line, you can make it is a, this is a what? This is a what? This is a rectangle. Then make it a line. This is what? This is a square. And again this, sorry, we'll see this is square or what, and this is a shape. So we got 3 shapes, so that now we can find out the area. So look at here. Here length is 5 meter and breadth is 2 meter. So area is how much? 5 into 2, because length area is length into breadth, square meter. Then here 2, and this is how much? Because if this is 2, this is 5. Okay. So what is this? Here what you will write? This one is 2 and this one is also 2. So if this is 2, this is 2, 2 plus 4, and rest this one is what? 1. So area of this figure is how much? 2 into 1 square meter. Then area of this figure is how much? 5 into 2 square meter. So what you will write? Solution. Okay. Solution, right? Area of given figure equal to 5 into 2 square meter plus 2 into 1 square meter, because this is 2 into 1. Okay. Plus this shape is 5 into 2 square meter. So 10 square meter plus 2 into 1, 2 square meter plus 10 square meter. So how much it is? 22 square meter. So like this you can find out the area of this type of figure by splitting the shape. Okay. If you will split, then you can easily find out the area. So this is about today's class. I hope you have understood. Okay. Thank you.